Hi everybody, this is Brian Kaprowski, your PED 110 LN12 instructor. I'm creating this video because I want to go over the assignments that are going to be due this coming Wednesday, February the 24th, and the assignments that are coming up and will be due next week, March the 3rd. Hard to believe that we are so close to March as time just flies, especially when you're in school, right? Okay, so let's look at the assignments again that are going to be due tonight. So I would encourage you, if you ever had a question about what assignments are due in the class, please click on the list of due dates here, and then you can see what is due. So you can see concepts 5, 6, 7, and 8 assignments are going to be due this coming Wednesday. And remember, you can locate those assignments here within your course content tab. 5 and 6 are here. Complete all of those, and then go back and complete 7 and 8 for this coming Wednesday in the class. Next week, as we can see here, your concepts 9 and 10 labs and written activities, assignments, and quizzes will be due, along with the exercise log 1. So I went over the exercise logs, the criteria, and the grading matrix in the first video in this class, but I'll go over it one more time just to make sure that we all have a good understanding of the requirements of the assignment and what exactly I am looking for you to add. Okay, but first let's look at these concepts 9 and 10 assignments that will be due next week. So concepts 9 is titled in your online course textbook, Vigorous Aerobic Sports and Recreational Activities. And this chapter will identify the several different types of vigorous aerobic activities, and it will describe the advantages of the possible activities in a personal training program. We'll also identify several different types of vigorous sports and recreational activities and the advantages of sports activities in a personal training program. And we'll explain to you the importance of skill and sports performance as well. We'll also help you to plan and self-monitor any kind of vigorous physical activity program that you may be undertaking, and it will help you to evaluate the factors that will help you to adhere to it. Concepts 10 is titled Muscle Fitness and Resistance Exercise. And this chapter will explain the factors that influence strength, muscular endurance, and power. It will go over the health benefits of a fitness and resistance exercise program. It will describe the types of progressive resistive exercises, also known as PRE, and the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. And it will describe to you the different types of PRE equipment and what are the most beneficial for you to use to accomplish your fitness and exercise goals. Okay, so I want to go over briefly the exercise log just one more time, because I know a lot of students have questions about what these logs entail. So from this week moving forward, so on Wednesday, February the 24th, it is required that you participate and continue to participate in a physical fitness conditioning program throughout this semester until the class concludes in May. Okay, so every week you will need to do a fitness program, and what is required in that fitness program is everything that's listed here on the exercise log. Okay, and the exercise log, remember, you can also see the due dates here, but you click here on this folder and the logs are located here. And what you're going to do is you're going to download this log every week, and you're going to complete all the requirements in this log. Everything on this log needs to be completed for you to receive the maximum amount of points on these logs and to be successful in the class for that matter. So the logs, I'll go over it one more time with you, everything this all entailed. I need you to record your resting heart rate when you first wake in the morning 3 times per week, Please list the exact days or dates that you take this, and then next to that, list your resting heart rate. And when you take your heart rate, you could either take your heart rate using your carotid artery located here inside of your neck, or you could take your radial pulse, which is when you take two fingers and you palpate the thumb side of your wrist. And I need you to take that pulse rate for at least 1 minute. And then I need you to record that along with the date. I need you to record your body weight in the morning that you turn the labs in. I need you to take your body mass index, and to do that, please copy this URL right here and paste it into your web browser, and it will give you the formula that you will use to calculate your BMI. List that here. I need you to participate in an aerobic activity. Okay, and it shows you an example of what I'm looking for. So I need to know the days, I need to know the time, or you could also just list the dates. Okay, so you're gonna need to perform that every week, and I'll go over how often and how long here on the grading matrix here in a little bit. I need you to perform a flexibility program using stretching exercises. I need you to list all the pre and post stretches that you accomplish each day. Easy way to get that in would be to perform maybe a 10-minute stretch, your pre-workout, so before you work out, and then a post-workout, so stretch afterwards. I need you to perform some kind of recreational type of activity. And a lot of students have a question, what does that all entail? What would count in this category? So that could be anything from shooting a basketball, kicking a soccer ball, playing ping pong. Maybe you like to hike. Potentially, you may like to jump on a trampoline, ride your bike. So you can list that there. For sporting activities, if you like to play a sport, again, kicking a soccer ball, shooting a basketball, maybe playing tennis. I just recently started playing tennis with my children. It's a great workout. It encourages you to sprint to the ball, and it really, really fatigues you. So it's a great activity. So some kind of sporting activity, the choice is yours based on your own personal preferences. So it's up to you what you want to list there. Weight training activity, you can use your own body resistance. So you can do push-ups, you can do sit-ups, you can do wall sits, you can do lunges, you can do calf raises, you can do tricep dips. If you haven't participated in a weight training program, you can reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to send you a list of YouTube videos that has the exercises on them, and also discusses how to perform the correct form and technique. So don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions pertaining to that. The rubric, which is also located under in the exercise log folder, describes exactly how I will be grading you in this class. So ideally, everybody should strive to get these marks here under the excellent work. So for the aerobic exercise that I just went over, for you to earn the highest possible score on the exercise log, I need you to perform that 3 to 5 days, anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes each day. For the muscular strength and endurance activities, so that would be your strength training, I need you to perform that 2 to 4 days per week, and I need you to list 4 to 8 exercises, and I need you to conduct that for at least 10 to 60 minutes. For your flexibility activity, remember to do that pre and post of your workout routine. I need you to do that 3 to 5 days per week, and for 5 to 30 minutes in total. The sports and recreational activities, please do that 2 to 4 days a week, and I need you to perform that 20 to 60 minutes in length. So this is how I will be grading you, and this is what I'm looking for. So every area, again, I just want to reiterate this, every area needs to be completed on this log. I don't please don't say I was unable to perform, or NA. That's not really a valid excuse. This is part of this class, and it's a requirement in this class that you participate in a fitness program. Okay. All right. So that is all that I have. Oh, one quick note. So once you complete this form here, you're going to download it to your computer, save it on your desktop, and then I need you to upload it into this folder in Blackboard for each of the exercise log due dates in the class. Okay. If you have any questions about the logs or you're a little unsure about what activity I'm looking for, don't hesitate to send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope everybody has a great week. Good luck on starting your fitness programs. I'm really excited to see what kind of activities you are going to be performing. Hopefully, they're obviously ones that you're going to like and enjoy, because that's one of the most important parts of a fitness program, is doing an activity that you like and enjoy. And that will give you the benefits of a fitness program, because you're going to adhere to it over a period of time. Again, don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions or concern. Hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.